How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
parts of the day.
There are 24 hours in a day. The day is divided into daytime from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m., and nighttime from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Be careful. AM is an abbreviation of the Latin phrase ante meridiem, which means before noon. And PM is an abbreviation of the Latin phrase post meridiem, which means afternoon. There are 4 parts of the day: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. The morning from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. The afternoon from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. The evening from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. The night from 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. Sunrise at 6 in the morning, and sunset at 6 evening.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!